When planning your Tahitian getaway, the first pitfall to avoid is neglecting to set a realistic budget. Tahiti's high cost of living can surprise travelers accustomed to more affordable destinations. To dodge this, thoroughly research and plan for expenses like airfare, accommodations, meals, activities, and souvenirs. Remember to consider the exchange rate and allow some wiggle room for those unexpected costs. By understanding your spending limits, you can make savvy choices that enhance your vacation without financial strain. Next, don't overlook the cost of inter-island travel. Tahiti's allure isn't limited to its main island. Its archipelago boasts 118 islands, each with its own allure. However, hopping between these islands can quickly inflate your budget. To keep costs in check, prioritize which islands to visit and book transportation in advance. Consider air passes for discounted flights or local ferries for a more economical option. Strategic planning here can mean the difference between a budget blowout and a well-managed adventure. Lastly, a common oversight is failing to account for food expenses. Dining out in Tahiti, particularly in tourist hotspots, can be costly. To avoid this, embrace local eateries for authentic and affordable meals, or shop for groceries if your accommodation permits cooking. Set a daily food allowance and be mindful of alcohol expenses, as they can add up. Keep an eye out for dining deals and happy hours to indulge in Tahiti's culinary offerings without the financial guilt. In conclusion, a trip to Tahiti doesn't have to be a budget buster. By setting a realistic budget, planning for inter-island travel, and accounting for food costs, you can immerse yourself in the splendor of Tahiti without the post-vacation blues. And if you need help crafting the perfect budget-friendly Tahitian journey, Far and Away Adventures is ready to turn your dream into a reality. Contact us today and let's start planning an unforgettable tropical escape that respects your wallet. Book with a Tahiti specialist at Far and Away Adventures.